You ever see a PC and right away you know that thing means serious business? Well, I got one of those with me today and I'm gonna be sharing everything about it with you. This is a brand new custom rig from Apex. It's wide, it's clean, and it's powered by Intel's latest Ultra CPU and the brand new NVIDIA RTX 5070. And honestly, the most wildest part is how quiet and smooth the whole setup is. My name is Santi with the Daily Tested team. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we're taking a look at a custom build from Apex, designed for people who game, create, stream, or love having a machine that can handle anything that you throw at it. And whether you're editing videos, or running heavy apps, playing the next-gen titles, this system is built so it can stay fast and cool. Let's talk about the looks first, because honestly, this PC is very beautiful. We get the Manic Phantom 2 casing, and in white, it sets the tone. And they've got the white sleeve cables, and the star of the show, the Apex Prism Reflective Edition RGB fans. These fans have the infinity mirror glow that makes the whole inside feel futuristic without being over the top. And if you're someone who cares about your desktop setup matching, this thing is a dream. Let's talk about the components that make this PC one of a kind. Inside of the build is powered by the Intel 20-core Ultra 7 265KF with 20 cores. And this is not the kind of CPU that blinks when you open 50 Chrome tabs or stack the apps on apps. It handles streaming, editing, gaming, and all at the same time without dropping frames. And to keep that power cool, Apex used the 240mm LCD AIO cooler, and the LCD screen makes it feel like a modern custom build. You can show temps, logos, your name, or whatever you want. And actually, even on the stress test, the temps stay controlled and quiet. And all of that sits in the Asus Prime Z890M, which gives you the next-gen support, faster reboot, and rock-solid stability. I like this board because it's clean, reliable, and it doesn't just try to be something that is not. We also got the RAM of 16GB DDR5 at 6000 MHz, and the RGB sync to match the whole interior. It's super fast and ideal for gaming and productivity. You've got slots open if you ever want to upgrade to 32 or 64GB later on. And when it comes to the storage, they dropped the 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which basically is the instant load territory. Games, apps, projects, everything opens in a blink. And then you've got the brand new RTX 5070, and this card is absolutely insanely efficient. It hits high frames per second at 1440 without spiking heat, and is more than capable of 4K gaming depending on the title. Plus the DLSS 3 and frame generation make everything feel extra smooth. And powering the whole thing, we got the 750-watt Silverstone 80 Plus Platinum PSU. Super efficient, super quiet, and exactly what you want when you're running modern GPUs. And of course, the specs are great on paper, but in real life, this PC just feels absolutely effortless. You click on something, it opens right away. You scrub through the 4K timeline and there is no stutters. You can game while recording and streaming and nothing is going to drop. And it's the kind of build that you don't think about, it just works. But now, is this the right setup for you? I mean, if you're gonna be gaming at 1440 or 4K, this is a great setup. Also, if you're streaming or recording gameplay, editing in high-resolution video, using heavy apps for design or production, or you just want a clean, modern showpiece PC. And what I like about this PC is how well balanced Apex made it feel. It's got the big performance, we got the clean design, future-ready parts, nothing bottlenecks, and nothing feels out of place. And it's the kind of PC that makes you want to sit at your desk even more. So if you want a rig that can handle 2026 and more, from gaming, content creation, or normal workflow, but very fast, I think this custom build from Apex is the perfect example of what a modern setup should be. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you want to learn more information about Apex, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.